Xmusic Creation Kit offers a new and enjoyable way for 3D printing enthusiasts and toy lovers to engage with toys. In this video, we'll unlock the fun of 3D printing custom music box. Let's go! Open this box and we can see the instructions. We need the Xmaker app to access all parts. If no Xmaker app, we can download them by this website, and the following steps are the same. Open Xmaker, swipe the screen. In Category Kit, we'll see quite a lot of models. Find Xmusic. There are 5 in total. We can type MUSIC and search them. Type the picture and we'll see the information. Swipe to view the details. We can refer to this picture when we assemble them. See all the parts here? Do not miss any of them if you print. Print other kits by the same step. On tablets and laptops, we can follow the same steps to print out the parts. Once collecting all the components, we can use markers to paint them. Take out the accessories from the Xmusic box. There are music movements, connectors, screws, a winding key, and the turntable. We can prepare a screwdriver in advance. Let's take this mushroom-shaped music box as an example. Authors are alike. Place all the things separately. Refer to the diagram while assemble them. In Xmaker app, Explore, Manual, we can find Xmusic tutorial. Feel free to refer to this guide when assembling. We first fix the music movement. Take the print and the music movement. This side of the print that is facing upwards should be the one in contact with the music movement. The holes are for screws. See the longest edge and the black part? Match this too. This way, 4 holes can easily correspond to each other. Turn around. Put the screws and fasten 2 things together with the screwdriver. Press the connectors and the movement base. Now keep the turntable in place. Align these 2 parts. Rotate. The mushroom-shaped music box is complete. To play music, we can wind the winding key or the turntable. Let's watch and listen to them. Follow these tips to ensure your music box and mechanic movement will play beautifully for years. Store your box in a cool, dry, and clean place, away from sun, heat, and dust. Wind and play your music box periodically. Allow your box to wind all the way down before stopping it. Do not touch the music box mechanism components. Hope you enjoyed the custom 3D printing music box. Bye!